Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Nefron. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, you know that we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 14 in the Hyper Royal colorway. I'm actually excited. I know I feel like I always say that, but I'm actually really excited to bring this review due to the fact that I was moving last year, and when these came out, I actually got them, and I was not able to go ahead and get a review out for you guys, which really bothered me. But like I said, we do have a lot of stuff in that closet that I am trying to go ahead and push out for you guys, and we're gonna continuously do that as we prolong with this channel. So first and foremost, like always, I like to tell you guys, I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys show for this channel. It really means a lot. The channel just hit 325 subscribers. We are shooting for 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and even if we pass that, man, I'm just so thankful for you guys. I really am. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as like the video, because it helps out a ton. And if you are new, like I said, go ahead and follow me over on my sneaker news page and my Instagram, so that way you guys don't miss out on anything that I go ahead and keep you guys posted up to date on. Now, moving on, I told you we do have a review. We are going to be looking at the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royals, but before we go straight into that review, we do have a couple things to talk about. One, it was my birthday on March 10th, and if you know, not only was it my birthday, I am 23, and you know, thank you so much for all the wishes that you guys sent me. It really means a lot. But as well, there was also a couple sneakers that released on the sneakers app that date. It was the Nike Dunk High in the orange blaze colorway, and it was the Nike Dunk Low in the black and white. It came for men and it came for women's as well. So, and you know, your boy wasn't able to hit. I never hit on Nike sneakers, which is it's sad, but maybe one day we're gonna keep pushing. One day I will potentially hit on the sneakers app. I remember I haven't hit literally since like last year on the Jubilees. I've entered every single thing, and yeah, so don't know what it is. I'm hearing that there's a lot of things going on right now that we're not gonna go too deep into it, but Nike's rolled out with a bot protection, so we'll see how that goes. But going back to on topic though, it was my birthday on the 10th. Those shoes came out. I was not able to go ahead and get them. However, a sweet and dear friend to me, she saw that I was able to go to that, and she makes these cakes, and she went ahead and actually made me a cake based of the Nike Dunk High orange blaze. Now, this cake is seriously amazing. Like literally, I'm gonna show you guys the clip of it. She went above and beyond. She really outdid herself. Like, Kayla, if you're watching this video, I greatly appreciate you. We've already talked about it, but I want you guys to see this cake. This cake is amazing. So let me go ahead and actually roll the clip for you guys. That way you guys can see a better understanding of what I'm talking about in a better perspective. So let's roll the clip right now. All right, so this is the cake right here. As you can see, look how detailed it looks. I'm giving you guys just more of an overview. Let's look at the back of it. Got the little Nike right there, the swoosh. Look at the back. And this is based off of the Nike Dunk High, the orange blaze that came out on the 10th, like I said. Girl, this is crazy. You went dumb on this cake. You went insane on this cake, phenomenal. Like I said, if you guys do ever need any type of, like, you know, cakes or arts from her, definitely go ahead and follow her and hit her up. She will not fail to disappoint. This is insane. Thank you, girl. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Phenomenal, right? Come on, you have to tell me that cake was amazing. That's literally one of the best things I've ever, like, creative-wise, I've ever gotten seriously in my life. So thank you so much for making that for me, Caitlin. I really appreciate it, especially for my 23rd birthday. You know, more blessings, more life. I hope that more blessings and success comes your way, because you really do deserve it. So again, thank you so much. Now, moving on to the main course of the video. I know what you guys are very excited for. We do have one more thing to talk about before we go straight into the actual shoe itself. We do have a package here that from Nike, and I'm actually a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. So the package that I got here is a shirt that I ordered on Sunday, and I actually paid one day. It was, I believe it was what, expedite shipping, one of those, and it told me it was gonna get there the next day. Keep in mind, I do understand like business times and all that, you know, business days, I meant to say, but like, I was just like, dang, it got here literally on my birthday. It kind of messed up everything that I wanted to do. I wanted to go ahead and actually, you know, take a couple fits, or take a couple of pictures with this fit on. It would have really went good with the outfit that I had, but nonetheless, it got here. So I'm not really disappointed. but I'm just kind of like, dang, it's kind of a bummer how it wasn't able to get here on my birthday. So let me go ahead and actually show it to you guys really quick. So let me go ahead and take out the packaging. Sorry, real quick. And it's nothing extremely fancy. It is just a Nike crew neck. It's orange, and as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I went ahead and I posted a whole orange fit of me wearing with the Air Max 90 in the total orange colorway. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I also made a video on it too, so if you haven't seen that as well, go check it out. But yeah, this was a shirt that was supposed to get here on my birthday. It didn't, and it's all right, you know. It is what it is. Blessed the fact that I was able, you know, thankful at least it got here safe and sound, you know. But that is the shirt. I will, if you do like this color, if you do like this item, I will leave a link in the description like I usually do whenever I talk about items, to that way you guys can go ahead and check out the product. So I will go ahead and leave a link in the description. And yeah, that's basically it. This is what came in. This is nice, has a little Nike logo on it. You're probably gonna see me later down the road on my Instagram, probably, you know, styling this. I might have it on my Instagram. I might have to take a couple, like, you know, more pictures with it. But yeah, that's it. Something nice, you know, just wanted to get for my birthday, and I was able to go ahead and get it. So now moving on to the main part, the actual Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royal review. Let's get it. All right, we are back, and as you see, I do have my beautiful headband on. You know how it is. If you're new to this channel, I feel like I've never talked about this. If you're new to this channel, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. So today, like I said, we were looking at these Hyper Royal 14s, and the colorway is white and blue. So, you know, white, and then we got blue. So that's why I just love doing that. I don't know, it's just something I've always been interested in. So it's really, really cool for me. So here we go right here. We're gonna go ahead and actually get this baby unboxed. And like I said, this released last year in September. God forgive me for I do not remember the release date for the life of me. I'll probably put it somewhere in a picture real quick. But I went ahead and I hit on these on actually Dick's Sporting Goods. I tried to go on sneakers and these things sold out, which was I find really, really crazy considering the fact that I remember the day when these came out. I was looking, nobody was talking about, everyone was like, oh, these are bricks, these are sleepers, and like nobody actually went for them. And then, you know, come release day, people's opinions always change, bro. It never fails. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and open up the box right here. And oh, I kind of scratched it a little bit. And like I said, I was able to go ahead and get these from Dick's Sporting Goods. So let's throw the box right there. And let's go ahead and give you guys a better look. So the size I was able to go ahead and pick up was my personal size 11. The size tag reads size 11, Air Jordan 14, white, black, Hyper Royal, and that size 11. And the retail price for these was 190 bones. So let's go ahead and check it out. As we pop up the lid, you're greeted with a nice white tissue paper that goes all over the shoe. Then as we peel back a little bit, you're greeted with that left pair right there. Man, these are clean. These are clean. I know I always say that, but these are actually very, very fire. And by the way, too, these are actually my very first 14s. I don't own any 14s in my collection. So the fact that I have these is very special to me. Let's go ahead and get the other pair out right now. Let's go ahead and put everything back nice and neat. Close the box, and we're gonna go ahead and set the box right there. And we're gonna go straight into reviewing the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. So there they go right there. As you can see, very, very beautiful. Starting from the midsole, let's see what we got. We have a nice white midsole with, what is that right there? Like carbon fiber, and it looks like a baby blue Jumpman. Let's see if the camera can capture that really, really well. Right here too, what is this? Oh, it's like a Roman numeral. I believe that's what it is. I know you guys can't probably see that, but it says 14 right there. I think that's actually very, very beautiful. Going up to the actual, what's it called? The outsole, as you can see, there is a very blue and, what is it, white? Kind of like what? Kind of like speckles right there that go all the way across, you know, blue, white, marshmallow white, and then you got the Hyper Royal, that's what I meant to say, Hyper Royal. Then as you go up a little bit more, you have that, what is it, that Jumpman. And I do like the fact that I've heard that these were actually inspired from a Ferrari. This whole silhouette was designed from a Ferrari. From what I was hearing, I could be wrong, I could be right, but this is what I'm hearing. So I think that's pretty clean. Looking at the back of the shoe, you do have that 23, and actually, opposed to all the other 23s that are usually in the back of the shoe, this is actually pretty clean. This is cool. Look at the font for the 23. 2, the 3, you got the little Jumpman right there. Then as you come up a little bit higher, you do hit that Hyper Royal that's in the back of that very clean sneaker. As you go to the front of the shoe as well, as the toe box, you are greeted with a little baby Jumpman right there, and it is black. Then as you go up, you get your laces, and you do hit your tongue. The tongue is actually crazy. The tongue is actually insane. Can you guys see that? It says Jordan right there, and then on the back of it, it says, sorry, I know you're looking at my ugly face, but the 14, and then you have your size tag and all that, 11, and then you have your shoe tree, take that out, and then, ooh, look, when you look inside the shoe tree, or sorry, when you look inside the actual inside of the shoe, I don't know if the camera will pick it up that well, but it's actually a blue sole in there. Very fire with a blue Jumpman right there. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. This is actually a very good pair of 14s. I don't think I'm actually, this is gonna be personal. I don't think I'm actually really gonna sell these. I think I'm gonna keep them, honestly. This was the left pair. Let me go ahead and get the right pair for you guys to see. And here it is right there in all of its wonderful glory. I know that when this shoe came out, I didn't see a whole bunch of restocks on them. I saw a couple, but for the most part, I think it was just like, you know, it came out and then it sold out like that. So for all the people that said that these were bricks or they didn't like them, hey man, shoot, these are, I don't know what y'all were talking about. These are crazy. These are crazy. These are very, very fire. Very, very fire. Let me go ahead and show you guys both of them in hand. I want you guys to give you some, you know, a closer perspective. I don't know how to do just yet. I don't know, I'm learning as I go. I don't know how to do like B-roll or anything like that, where, you know, you have a close up and it's like slow motion with, like, you know, the beautiful music in the background. I don't know how to do that just yet. I will learn as I'm progressing with this channel. I'm gonna be real, I'm still a beginner with a lot of this stuff, honestly, but you know, there they go right there. These are the Air Jordan 14 in the Hyper Royal colorway. Comment what you guys, or let me know what you guys think below. Your opinion really matters to me. And just let me know, is it a shoe that you want? Is it a shoe that you want? Is it a shoe that you have? Did you sell? Like, let me know. I would really, really appreciate it. So this is going to go ahead and conclude today's video for the Air Jordan 14 for the Hyper Royal colorway. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know what were your thoughts and opinions on this sneaker. As well, before I go ahead and cut away to the on-feet review, like I always do, I really want to let you guys know, just thank you, like seriously, like thank you so much for all the love and support you show. I know I always say it, I know I do, but I just don't know what else to say. Like, you guys show a lot of love and it really means a lot to me. You know, I didn't really understand before I became, like, you know, making like videos and stuff. I didn't really understand like the time and like the effort and like the stuff that it goes into this stuff. And now that I'm doing it, I'm enjoying it. I'm growing with it. I love the fact that you guys are engaging, because it makes me feel like, you know, you guys are watching my stuff, which means a lot. The fact that, like I just said, when you put a lot of work and effort into this stuff, so it really, really means a lot to me. Really quick before I go ahead and break away to the on-feet review as well, there's a couple sneaker news that I kind of want you guys to kind of stay up to date with. So as you know, on the 20th of this month, the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies are coming out, or aka Georgetown. And if you aren't concerned about it, real quick, or if you're curious about it, raffles did go live for Finish Line, I believe yesterday. Let me go ahead and pull it up, hold on. Okay, yeah, so raffles did go live for the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies. If you want to go ahead and enter that, go ahead. Only if you're curious about it. I just want to get a lot more, like, you know, informative for you guys. If the camera would focus camera, there we go. So yeah, if you guys are interested in actually, you know, going ahead and, you know, you want to know about the Air Jordan 3 and you want them, they are coming out this actually next Saturday. I forgot today's Saturday. Next Saturday, I went ahead and I want those. Threes are my favorite silhouette, like I've always talked about. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and go for those. If we hit on them, if we do hit, don't quote me, but if we hit, I may try to do a little mall vlog. I know a lot of people in the comments, and like who I know in person, they're like, man, you should do more mall vlogs. And I'm just like, you're right, I should do some more. So, you know, it's feedback like that that really allows me to go ahead and keep on, you know, getting better. And, you know, I want to go ahead and attend to your guys' needs, you know. So really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys show, like I said. And if you are interested in those threes, check your finish line right now. Go ahead and enter, and, you know, we'll see you on Monday. So like always, guys, this is your boy Nefert. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys have a very, very blessed day. Whatever it is in your life that you're doing, keep pushing and keep thriving. And, you know, just always have a positive attitude and energy for everything that you're doing. I'll catch you guys later, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.